This is how to blur and auto-track the number plate of a car in CapCut PC. With a clip in the timeline, the very first thing I like to do is create a duplicate. I like to hold Alt or Option and then drag to a new layer. So now with the top clip selected, go to Video, Mask, and Add Mask. Select the rectangle mask. Now we're going to use the sides of the mask in the player to adjust the mask to cover only the number plate. But it gets very hard to see the number plate because it's really small. Now you want to use the zoom slider in the player to adjust the zoom, to zoom in to be able to see the number plate better. Now once you are done, now we can go to the bottom clip and press V on your keyboard to disable it. Now we can see just the number plate masked out. Now move over to the very first frame, select the top clip again, and then in the mask panel, scroll down to track and leave the direction at both and just hit track. Now this will track the mask for the entire frame. Replay to see if it works just fine. Now go to effects and search for blur. Drag the blur effect down to the clip above. But let's reactivate so we can see the entire video. Now select the bottom clip and tap V on your keyboard. Now this will re-enable the bottom clip. Now we can see that it has masked out and blurred only the number plate. That's it. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.